Hello everyone, it's Kevin, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade the runtime of your app chain through apps.tanssi.network. But first, a couple quick things to note. This video applies to EVM app chains using Tanssi's standard EVM app chain template only. If you've customized your chain's template, for example, if you've built out additional palettes, you shouldn't follow these steps because this upgrade process will take you back to the standard EVM template. So the first thing we'll do is head to apps.tanssi.network, and you'll need to have two different accounts prepared and ready to connect to apps.tanssi.network. And you'll need to have both the manager account, that is a substrate account. It may be the original account that deployed your app chain, but in any case, it is a substrate account. You'll also need to have the pseudo account for your app chain, and that will be an Ethereum account. We'll need to make sure that both of these are connected to apps.tanssi.network, and make sure that you check the box here for connecting EVM accounts, and both of these will be connected via the Polkadot provider. So I'm going to choose both of them. I'll refresh the page just to make sure it's recognized. And you may be either on Dancebox Snaps or Dancebox itself. Dancebox Snaps is for temporary 48-hour app chains, and Dancebox is for more permanent testing. So I'm going to head to Dancebox here, and we'll see that I have two different app chains. One is a substrate one, and another one is my EVM app chain. And so to upgrade my app chain, all I'll need to do is go ahead and press upgrade, and it will confirm a few steps here with me. It will show me the current runtime of my app chain, which is 600. It'll show me the latest one, which is 700, and I only need to upgrade it one time. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you do need to complete sequential runtime upgrades. So if the current version is, for example, 800 and I'm on 600, I'll need to first upgrade to 700 and then upgrade from 700 to 800. In this case, I only have one upgrade to perform. You don't need to check this box or anything like that. Just go ahead and press upgrade and confirm the transaction in your wallet. And that's it. Now, it will take a little bit of time before you see the new runtime upgrade in Polkadot.js apps, and you can check in the upper left-hand corner. So soon, this will be upgraded to version 700. And that's it. It's that easy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.